Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create mirror shack effect in CapCut special for PC. To the point, go to media and select your photos or videos that you want to edit. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to copy paste. And for the second clip, I'm going to select mirror shake. Just click the mirror shake button right here. You can see. So I'm going to copy paste the clips. Select the clips and copy paste. Oops, sorry. Right until some part. And go to effect to add the shake effect. Select nightclub and just looking for the shake effect use. But I'm going to select camera shake. Alright, select camera shake and adjust until the end of the clip. And you can adjust for the range and the speed, and here we go. Alright, I'm going to change for the duration of the clip. Go to menu and select settings, select edit and set for the image duration in 1 second. Save. Go to media and select your elements. Alright. Go to effects, camera shack, range, and speed. Go. Yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.